Hi guys, my name is Frank El Médico Rodriguez. I'm here with SAE Institute, and today we're going to do a tutorial about using instrument racks in Ableton. An instrument rack is a device in Ableton that allows you to stack up more than one instrument so you can have a more complex sound. Okay, so if I had grabbed this instrument rack right here, essentially this is a blank instrument rack, I could then load up in there any instrument that I want, whether it's an Ableton Live instrument or an instrument that is available from somewhere else, for a third-party instrument, I should say. So let's start something simple. Let's put some bells. There's my bells in there. Nothing complicated, just bells. But let's say I wanted to add a whirly piano or something more like a bass. Put that bass in there. Now they're stacked up and you'll hear them both. Let's say I didn't like that first one, so I took it out. So then I can go look for a different instrument. Let's try something from Operator. We got some bass here too. This sounds cool. Let's see if they work together. Apparently not. Take the wobble out. Let me lower my notes. Okay, we got something there. Now let's try for an instrument around the middle. Not that one. We're done with bass. Let's go ambient. Nope. Nope. This could be cool. Let's try it. Cool, huh? So you could also add effects individually into each instrument. So if I select, for example, this first one right here, and I felt like, you know what, this could use a little bit of distortion, then you can go into your audio effects and you could look for some kind of distortion plugin. Let's see. Overdrive. And we could put it right in there, which the other ones would be unaffected from. Let's say we wanted a flanger for that one. You could drop a flanger right just on that instrument. Let's see what we got on the last one. This one has a bunch of effects in them, so I'm not gonna add anything to them. So we got flanger here, we got distortion there. And if you feel like one is overpowering the other, you could also mix. So if I want to take this one down a notch, I could bring it down. Let's say that last one maybe a little bit too much, so let's lower that a little bit. You can pan them. So you can have fun with that. And that is instrument racks in Ableton Live. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial about using instrument racks in Ableton. For more information, please visit our website at usa.sae.edu.